Good morning, everyone. This is our final week of playing games. Um, as you might know, I have I just want to do a walkthrough to kind of make sure you know what's going on. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this is on my regular board. So if you look at the stream, you can go down and you can see Miss H's mini classroom, and that's where you'll see this. I'm going to pull it up. Each week I'm going to kind of have a message for you. Again, this says that this is our final week of video games. These three are actually audiobooks that you can listen to. I have my little Bitmoji, so it says that you can join me for office hours. That is not for today. This was for yesterday. And that'll go away tomorrow. I actually have some little sites that you can use if you need to. Freerice.com is a vocabulary game, and this is a typing game. Everyone has access to this. You'll just have to log in with your Google. And again, today I have put up all three games that we're going to be playing. I actually have them up here, but you could press on them and do your thing. So I'm going to X out of that one. Today, I'm going to show you three different games. So this is called Pork Life or Pork Light, and Worst Comes to Worst. Now this is like a pun, like a bratwurst. So we're gonna play. Now a lot of them are gonna pop up with an ad. You don't need to log in for any of these games. All right. So with this game, you can pull up a little map with your 5 fingers on the bottom. So Z, X, C, V are those 4 that you can use to pop this up. And then you're just going to close it again with the same one. This is a game where you are just using the arrows, I believe. And then I don't know what this is. I can push it. All right, and then here's some stairs. This game is really hard. I don't actually know what you do with these yellow things, so I'm just gonna ignore them. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, someone's chasing me. Ah! Ah! Okay, I died. I'm gonna press, so this is a little pig nose, kind of. You're gonna press X to start again. All right, again, I'm gonna go, it says spin. So notice how I had to die again, and now my room is different. It changes each time, so it's never going to let you get better that way. But this is like Pac-Man. So then here's my stairs. So I think okay, so those are obviously little deadly plants like on Mario. Like I said, not good at this game. I have a spear, and I'm gonna see if I can use it. So I got a little spear. Apparently I can't carry. I don't know how I... Okay. I'm really bad at this game. If you can figure it out, please do. All right, the next game I'm going to play is Total Darkness. And this is a narrative game base. It's very much like your context clues that you are working with. And it says, hello, I'm the narrator. Things are about to get weird. All right. But first, it's dark outside and you are up late. I'm going to say watching TV. That's what I'm always doing. Suddenly, everything stops working. Boom, everything's off. There's no lights, no Wi-Fi, everyone looks scared, there's no TV, so now what am I gonna do? When your world stops working, it's time for action. So your job is you're going to help the town solve a mystery. And this is going to tell you, will use your science skills to save the day. So a lot of this is reading. I want you to try it, and I want you to at least go to 3 places where it tells you to, okay? So I'm gonna go, these are again arrow keys, and here's a sports field, so I'm gonna explore it. All right, the sports field is pretty spooky in the dark. Cool. Your friend Skatey is here practicing her skate tricks. All right, so I'm gonna press on her. Hey, you're out investigating too? I bet we can solve this thing before anyone else does. What's your plan? I'm going to talk to everyone. Yeah, we do need to ask what everyone else thinks. If we all work together, maybe we can get the power back on. Do you have any theories about the power cut? Aliens, duh. It's always aliens. Probably crash landed their spaceship. Okay, so that's one theory. Now they've drained all of the power to get back home. Okay, why aliens? Just an idea. I'm gonna find some more evidence. Anyways, if you speak to Mr. Pick, he's got a key for everything. I saw him out on the baseball patches. I'm gonna leave. That's boring. I'm gonna go to the football. Hey, what do you call fools who's lost their keys? Mr. Pick. Alright, I dropped them around here somewhere, but I can't find things in the dark. Find a way to make light. That's the spirit. I've got some bits in my bag, crayons, a flashing key ring, and a water bottle. A lighter too, but it's not bright enough to see on my own. I'm going to try the bottle of water. It's important to stay hydrated. I'm not going to drink it. I'm going to try something else. The flashing key. I should have put that on my keys, then I wouldn't be in this pickle. It flashes when you press it. It's not very bright. Combine it with water. Whoa, it spreads light even further. Pick up Mr. Pip's keys. Thank you. What keeps you out this late? I'm investigating the power cut. I'm thinking it could be the fairgrounds. It seems like the whole town is up there. Okay, fine. Take electricity to keep those rides from running. Okay, so that's my new theory. Now I'm going to go there. Whatever. Great, that one's really fun. Okay, the last one that I want you to play is called Oak Defenders, and this one is like super fun. Okay, so again, it's the arrow keys. Traditional arrow jump. I'm going to collect these little fertilizers, water, that kind of thing. It looks like I'm going to need it. I got some flower pots. Cool. I'm not tall enough to reach this, so I'm not gonna go there. All right. So it says that I need to gather resources during the calm to feed the tree. And do you see this little tree in the middle? That's what I'm gonna do. All right. I don't know if you hear the awesome music. But I have a little gun, and I can aim it. Do you see my little circle? Okay, so my shoot is going to be X, but when I want to aim, it's going to be something else. All right. I'm still defending my little tree. They're almost there. I'm going to try really hard to kill these mother truckers. They seem to be shooting me, which is not nice. All right. I don't know why that one's stuck. And I'm going to collect my resources for my tree, just like I said. I like to fly around. I look like a little Yoda. Alright, and then I'm gathering resources, I go to my tree, and it like takes all of my resources for good, alright? I'm gonna go up to this flower pot and see if I can do anything. If I press a space bar, these are gonna help me defend my tree. Why do these snails have little bombs? I'm really not sure. Alright, and then I'm going to go collect my resources for my tree. Fly. Disperse. Alright, I'm still gathering resources to feed my tree. And notice how it says in the column. It's because when the little turtles or whatever are coming out, I do it. Do you hear how my music is calm now? My tree grew! Alright, so you get the point. Awesome. I hope that this is enough introduction for you. There's also some that you can get... Oops. There's also some that you can get... on your apps if you if your computer does not want you to play this. There's also the Slenderman game. It's a an app, or you can download it on your computer if you have an actual computer, but it is scary, so it is not required.